Hi guys! Today I will explain how to send money from Revolut to Revolut. For this, we have a few ways. The first one is save the contact of that percent to which you want to send money in Revolut. Then you can send money easily to that person. And the next thing is you need to enter the username of that person, if that is not in your contact list. Then you can be able to send them money, but before sending them and make sure you know the correct name. And also that person has a Revolut account. After making sure all of these, click on the option transfer, which is on the bottom of your mobile screen. On the top, you can see name and rev tag. And also, if that person is in your contact list, then that will be shown here. But if that is not, then you have to enter the name which all the Revolut user have. Just like me, I will enter a name. As you can see, after entering that name, I can also add this person in my contact list. So now I am tapping on it. And on the bottom, you can see the option of send. Click on it. And here, just need to enter the amount and then need to tap on the option send. And the amount will be sent to another account. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.